Welcome to ERPCA. Now we will see how to assign customer to employee. On Users page, we will see all the user's detail like employee name, designation, emails, phone, reporting to, etc. Now, click on Action drop-down button for that respective user. Click on Assign Customer option. From New pop-up window, select Customer from drop-down button. If we sure about Assign Customer to that respective user, then click Yes. The message about Assign Customer successfully will appear. Click OK to complete the process. We will see new customer is assigned to that employee. Thank you. With ERPCA, practice with ease.